Hey guys, it's been a while since I did a video on the Jag, and what I'll be doing today is I'm going to be fitting some door sill protectors to the car, and I've got two for the front doors and two for the rear doors, and this is actually what they look like. Now these things are actually carbon fiber, and they are real carbon fiber. You've got the two long ones for the front doors and the two short ones for the rear doors, and I'll show you a close-up of what this stuff really looks like. But it is, you can actually see the fibers. It almost looks like a tapestry of some sort. So I'm going to just prep the car and I'm going to fit these on, and let's see what it looks like. Right, so I just want to show you, I'm going to actually fit these things to this portion over here of the car. So the carbon fiber is actually about the length of the Jaguar plate over here, but it's going to go down here on the metal of the car. So the rear one is actually a little more difficult because of the curvature of the doorway, and I'm actually just using this tool that they provided me with to try and get it down. But I need both my hands for that. But this is probably the most difficult part of doing this whole thing, is doing the rear door. The front door is quite easy because it's fairly flat. But let's see if we can get this down. So I've got a bubble over here, and I'm just going to give it a prick like that, and we can work all the air out of it and get it down nice and good. So bubble gone. Now I've got a couple more bubbles over there. As you can see, there are, not too concerned about these in there, but I'll try and sort them out. I've got one over there, and I'm going to prick a little hole in there, just a tiny one, and try and put your hole at the end of the bubble, not in the middle of the bubble, so that you can work from one way out. Now I'm going to smooth it out, and all the air has been released now. Right, so I'll just press that one down over there, and all the bubbles are gone. So guys, not a major difference, just a very subtle upgrade and protection for your sills. I actually had some really bad scratches over here from shoes and things like that, scuffing these plates over here, and I'll be honest, it does look like this is going to do the trick. And this stuff actually sticks pretty well. Even though I've been touching with my hands, it still sticks, and I can see it's going to last pretty long. And I just want to give you a look at the actual threads. If you look from the other side, you can see all those little threads in there, and these darker ones, their threads go that way, and these ones, the thread goes this way. So pretty pretty good looking, that. I'll show you the back. Here's the back. So I think it's a nice addition. You can see it's glistening nicely in the sun, and I think most people won't even notice you've got this on your car unless you've got a white car or a light colored car. Then people are going to notice it. So my car being this color, you don't really pick it up. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so.